stand there by yourself? You can swing? Hi. Yes. Oh, what do you think? Hey! Hi! 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 What are you doing? Trini, up the cup. What? Yeah? Uh-oh, what's it? Oh. Mama needs to get you a musical box. Just for Valentine's Day, Daddy might have gotten you something.
Wonder if they had that in that wooden store going out of business.
Thomas Carousel.
Thomas, oh.
We need one like that. Look how cool
I
it
know.
is.
I just got that for Christmas.
Yeah, it's compared to ours. Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah. Talking and showing herself. Who's making herself laugh? She's trying to get herself up. Serena, what are you doing, baby? Hi. Peekaboo. Uh-oh, you're coming to get me? Oh. Ah, attack of the baby. Glow stick.
What is it?
Serena, what do you think? Oh, take it. Serena, what is it? What is it? A glow stick?
It only stays for one night.
Yes. That is true. Like you have those in Halloween, don't you?
Serena, are you playing with Sydney? How cute. Gesundheit. Serena loves Sydney. You gonna take him for a walk? You gonna take your friend for a walk, Serena? All done? No? You gonna turn around? Oh, Sydney heard the walk word. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, look, there's a kitty cat over there, too. Yes, the animals are great motivators for crawling. Serena will chase them to the ends of the earth.